Good morning, children. In the previous video, we have discussed about the highest and largest in India. Today, we shall discuss about the longest and some of the smallest in India. Okay. First of all, the longest in India. Longest dam. In the previous video, we have discussed about the highest dam, which is that is Bhakra Dam, right? I also told you the height of the Bhakra Dam, that is 226 meters, and the longest dam is Hirakud Dam. Okay, this was built over Mahanadi River in Odisha. The Hirakud Dam occupied 4.8 kilometers. Okay, so the length of the dam, Hirakud Dam, is 4.8 kilometers. Here you can see the Hirakud Dam. This was built over Mahanadi River and it is situated in Odisha. Longest beach, Marina Beach in Chennai. Okay, Marina Beach, which is situated in Chennai, is the longest beach in India, and the length of the Marina Beach is 12 kilometers. Children, note it down in your books. Okay, the length of the Marina Beach is 12 kilometers. Longest river bridge. See, here you can see the bridge. In the previous slide, we have discussed about the dam. This is dam and here this is bridge. Longest river bridge is Mahatma Gandhi Setu. The name of this bridge is Mahatma Gandhi Setu and it is the longest river bridge that is situated in Patna. Longest river. The longest river is River Ganga. Longest tributary river. The longest tributary river is Yamuna. A tributary river means Upanadi. Yamuna. Longest river of South India. South India means ours. River Godavari. We already know, right? This is our river Godavari. This is the longest river of South India. Longest tunnel, Jawahar Tunnel, which is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. Here you can see the picture of tunnel. This is the longest tunnel and the name of this tunnel is Jawahar Tunnel. Longest national highway. Longest national highway is NH17 from Varanasi to Kanyakumari, and this is renamed as NH44. Recently, this NH7 is renamed as NH44. Longest road. The longest road is Grand Trunk Road. Here you can see the picture. The longest railway platform is Gorakhpur railway platform, which is situated in Uttar Pradesh state. The length of the platform is 1366 meters. Note it down, children. The length of the Gorakhpur railway platform, which is situated in Uttar Pradesh, is 1366 meters. Okay, this is about the longest in India. Now we are going to discuss about the smallest. A few of the smallest. See, I am going to tell you only two. Smallest state, as we already discussed about the largest state in area and largest state in population. Here we come across smallest state in area, Goa. Goa is the smallest state in India in area, and smallest state in population is Sikkim. Okay, children, note it down and learn carefully. Now there is a puzzle for you, word grid. Find the words. Here are some pictures. Okay, and here is a word grid. Find out the pictures and circle it. Okay, this is today's work. Bye.